Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 1C of the 2022 NCEA Table, Equation and Graph, Part 1 and Part 2. Without further ado, let's read Part 1. So if you get Part 1 and Part 2 right, you get 2 excellence, and that means you get E8 for this particular question. So the courier company parcels to you. So the orange line is the parcels to you. These are not drawn. We have to draw later. I'll teach you how to draw it, okay? Decides on the cost of delivery according to the weight of the parcel. If a parcel weighs less than 6 kg, then the cost will be 8. So there'll be piecewise, so there'll be 2 pieces. So if it is less than 8, so if it's less than 6 kg, okay, the cost will be 8. So y equals to 8. No matter what cost, from $0 to $6, okay, the cost will be $8. So 6 is here. So that is how you draw the straight line. So it doesn't include 6, so you draw a circle with no coloring in it, okay? If it's included, then you will circle a full circle, okay? The second part, if the parcels weigh 6 kg or more, so it weighs 6 kg greater or equal to 6, but it's less than 25, okay? If it's up to 25 kg, okay, the cost will be $1.50 per kg, okay, plus an extra fixed cost of $1. So the formula is going to be y equals to 1.5x, the kilogram, okay, plus 1. That's what they said that, okay? 150 per kg plus $1. So the equation is going to be y equal to 1.5x plus 1, okay? So if the cost is $6, okay? So we're going to substitute $6 into this equation. So cost equals to 1.5 times 6 plus 1. The cost is going to be $10. So if $6, it is not actually $8, it's going to be at $10. So you're going to circle, because 6 is inclusive, so we're going to do a full circle, okay, with the colored inside. Then we need to get another point so that you can draw a straight line for the graph. So when x equal to 10, so the easiest number is 10, we're going to substitute 10 into the same equation, okay? So 1.5 times 10 plus 1. So 1.5 times 10 is 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So this point here is going to be 10, 16. So once you get these 2 points, just draw a line, and that is the 2 graph, part 2 piece of the graph. So 0 to 6, you draw that line without the circle. And the second part is 6 is included, you circle the whole thing. And the second point here, draw that line, and you can get that. That should be a merit. You need to get 2 of these, part 1 and part 2, to get excellence. Okay, so we shall look at the second excellence, which is going to be the black line, but in our graph, it's going to be the yellow line. Okay, so we shall look at part 2. Okay, we are going to adjust the paper. So we shall read the question now, okay? So the question is, another courier company, Hohoro Delivery, which is the yellow line, okay, has their pricing plan for calculating the cost of delivering parcel. Hohoro Delivery charge a rate of $2 for parcel up to the weight of 15. So from 0 to 15, the equation is y equals to 2x, okay? So 0 to 15, the equation is y equal to 2x. Got it? Okay, so to draw the graph, we do not know the graph. So when x equal to 0, so 2x is substitute in there. When x is 0, y is 0. So the first point is going to be 0, 0. The second point, you're going to choose any point. So we're going to use 10 again, because 10 is easy. So when x equal to 10, so y equal to 2x. So we replace the x by 10. So the cost will be $20. So you're going to put $10, the cost is $20. You got this point and this point. So this point is 10, 20. You got the 2 points, just draw the line up to 25, up to $15. So you stop at $15 because 15 is not inclusive. You do not color the circle. Okay, that's important for you to get another excellent. Okay, then the second part, they ask you, if however the parcel weighs from 15 kg up to 25, so 15 is inclusive, so you're going to do the full circle to 25, the cost is going to be $34. Okay, the cost is 34. So if x is greater or equal to 15 but less than 25, that will be the line. So again, there's a 2 piecewise equation. Okay, so the 2 point of intersection is this point here, which is 4,8, and this point here is going to be 2234. This is similar to the linear algebra internal you have done before, so we are going to answer that. Okay, so they ask you, compare the cost of delivering parcel using parcels to you and Hohoro, both the orange line and the yellow line. You should provide evidence for all equation, domains, and graph. So if you have 0 to 4 from here, the cheapest will be the yellow line. So we use the Hohoyo, okay? So if 0 to 4, the best option is Hohoyo. Anything from 4 onwards, okay? 4 onwards, okay, up the way to 22 is the orange line. So the cheapest delivery option will be the orange line, which is parcels to you. And last but not least, anything above 22 to 25 is still the yellow line here, because anything is more expensive than the orange line. The yellow line is cheapest. We are going to use the Hohoyo again, okay? First, Hohoyo from 0 to 4. 4 to 22, you use the parcels to you, and then 22 to 25, you are going to use the Hohoyo again. So if you can answer all this, part 1, okay, Hohoyo again, okay? If you can answer all of this, you will get not only 1 excellent, you get T2 or 2 excellent, means you get 8 points in this question. Have a go at it. It sounds very it's going to sound very difficult, but if you practice them, you should be able to get the E8. So see you again, everyone, and hope to see you in question 2A of this paper. Cheers, everyone, and have a good day.